As an experienced gamer with countless hours spent in various virtual worlds, I can confidently say that the latest addition to my gaming library, Disney Dreamlight Valley, has truly captured my heart. The end of summer event has me hooked, and I found myself immersed in this magical valley more than ever before. To collect all the prizes during Disney Dreamlight Valley's end of summer celebration, you'll find a variety of exclusive tasks waiting for you. Some of these missions require you to know the process of creating roasted marshmallows. In the captivating world of Disney Dreamlight Valley, it might take some careful planning to gather the correct ingredients for each dish, as even a slight mistake could alter the meal significantly. Therefore, accuracy is crucial. Here's a simple guide on how to prepare roasted marshmallows in Disney Dreamlight Valley. In the magical world of Disney Dreamlight Valley, I've discovered an exciting way to create roasted marshmallows. All you need are 4 ingredients: 2 pink marshmallows and 2 blue marshmallows. This delightful treat is a 4-star recipe, making it quite straightforward to prepare. Because roasted marshmallows require 2 kinds of marshmallows, it's advisable to prepare this recipe during the ongoing end of summer event. This implies that you should initiate the event promptly and strive to finish it quickly. After the upcoming event finishes, you'll be able to prepare these treats provided you collect all the necessary ingredients ahead of time. Important note, neither pink nor blue marshmallows will reappear in the valley post-event. But if you accumulate extra during the event itself, you can consume your remaining supply later on. Pink marshmallows are not actually plants that grow. Instead, they can be discovered on 3 distinct bushes in the plaza biome. These bush locations may vary within the region, that since the plaza is their exclusive habitat. Finding them should be straightforward. On the contrary, blue marshmallows are more elusive as they appear sporadically across 5 various biomes, namely the Plaza, Dazzle Beach, Peaceful Meadow, Glade of Trust, and Forest of Valor. Once you've collected all necessary components for the recipe, feel free to prepare this meal at any suitable workstation. If you own the A-Rift In Time DLC, can even place the ingredients into an ancient cooker alongside some mist, eliminating the need for self-cooking. Making numerous roasted marshmallows is crucial to fulfilling the Share Some Sweetness assignment. Additionally, acquiring knowledge about the s'mores recipe will allow you to complete the Savor Some Sweetness ensure, helping you secure all the rewards available during this event if desired.